So what's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be comparing the speakers here on the iPhone SE versus the speaker here on the Nexus 5. Now I'm guessing that the speaker will be better on the iPhone SE just because the Nexus 5 doesn't really have that good of a speaker, but we will see. So what I'll do, I'll just place my microphone right in the middle here so you guys can actually hear it, and I'll let you know what I think, and you guys also let me know what you think in the comments down below. So let's just get started with this speaker test. So in my opinion, not only does the iPhone SE sound much better, it also sounds much louder than the Nexus 5. The Nexus 5 is just really quiet, the speakers aren't really that good, but on the SE you can really notice the detail, and it's really loud as well. So definitely the iPhone SE wins here without a doubt, and yeah. Also let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I see you all in my next video.